What's going on, YouTube? I'm going to be replacing this shower head right here. I'm going to be using my friend right here. And because this is an old shower head, I don't really care about what happens to it. Here we go. So I didn't really damage it or anything like that anyways. Alright. Right now, I'm just going to clean up the old mess. And now the old mess is gone. We're gonna put the new Teflon tape on, and it's gonna be clockwise. And we wanna make it clockwise just so when we put on the new shower head, the nut is gonna be tying in the same direction, so it's not going against the Teflon tape. So let's get it. And here we go with the last one. I'm just gonna cut it right there. Alright, we got a new one in the package. Let's take it out. So it looks like the new shower head came with a Teflon tape, but I didn't see that anyway, so I already have mine. But we have the gaskets in there. I'm just gonna do some assembly real quick. First of all, I'll put some Teflon tape on this side as well. Alright, here we go for the first one. And now I'm just gonna put the gasket inside here. Here we go. Now time to assemble it. Here we go. Time to do the other part. This is also gonna need some Teflon. Alright. Now we are definitely good. There we go. I'm pretty sure we're all set, but I'm just gonna tighten it one more time. Make sure we're extra good. Now we're ready to put this on the wall. All right, here we go. Honestly, I should have probably just put this first on the wall before putting this on, but we'll be fine. You just have to move it around. See what I'm talking about? But, you know, like I said, we're fine. Just move the whole thing around. Alright. Okay. Okay, I think we're fine now, but just to be extra safe, I'm gonna tighten it with our friend right here. But before we do that, since this is a new one, I don't want to mess it up, so you know, just put this right here. I don't think it's necessary, but just to be safe, since this is new. Alright, I think we're fine. Let's give it a test. Uh-oh. We're definitely not fine, so I'm just gonna twist it a few more times, as much as I can, pretty much. There we go. Gonna squeeze it one more time. Hold it. Hold the other end so it doesn't twist inside the wall. Alright. Honestly, I think this ought to do it. Let's give it a shot one more time. Alright, we're all set, no more leaking. Alright folks, thanks for watching. Peace out.